Hello everyone. Charging on the go just got easier. No more worrying about your phone battery while you're away from home. This transparent power bank looks stylish, feels ultra compact, and is ready to keep your devices powered anytime, anywhere. This device was specially built for Rohan's comment request. Rohan, once the project is complete, drop your address in the comments. This gadget could be a handy travel companion for you. Let's unbox it and explore its build. We purchased this SMT circuit locally for a closer look inside. Here are the two key parts. Let's peel off the protective film and check them out up close. This is power bank circuit built with neatly assembled SMT components. The precise placement and clean soldering show the quality of modern SMT manufacturing, helping ensure reliable performance and long-lasting operation. Here's the setup module circuit. It's compact, yet packed with tiny SMT components, carefully placed for efficient performance and dependable operation. Now it's time to build the enclosure. We brought in a transparent case to house all the components. First, we carefully placed the circuits inside and marked the required cutouts using a cutter. After cutting along the markings, the openings were ready. To give it a clean and professional finish, we smoothed both sides thoroughly with sandpaper until everything fit perfectly. The enclosure is now taking its final shape. Everything fits nicely inside the case. Next, we move to the top cover section. Using a cutter, with smooth handling and perfect precision, the job is now completely cut. Next, we need to install the switch. After finding the perfect position, we carefully fit it into place, making sure it sits securely and looks clean inside the build. Now it's time to add the battery. As you can see, it comes with pre-attached wires, and its compact size makes it a perfect fit for our device. Now, let's mount the setup module circuit right on top. It boosts voltage, essential for the build. With just a few wire connections, the circuit starts taking shape. Before we move ahead, a big shout out to SMT Services. What really stands out is their focus on precision, quality control, and reliable PCB assembly. Every board goes through careful inspection to reduce errors and improve performance. One thing every good SMT manufacturer values is proper component placement and clean soldering, while rushed assembly and poor quality checks can lead to costly problems. That's why attention to detail matters so much in electronics manufacturing. Companies that invest in quality processes help engineers turn complex designs into dependable products, and that's something we truly appreciate. The wiring is now complete. To finish the assembly, we're placing the custom-cut acrylic panel on top, giving the device a clean and professional look. The build is finally complete. Now it's time for testing. Just connect the power cable and plug the Type-C end into your cell phone. Charging starts instantly. Our engineering team puts in a lot of effort to build these projects for you. Your support means a lot, so keep like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next project. Goodbye, engineers.